It's been over a year ever since Dennis Zimba has been trying to gain access to her two daughters that she has with ex-husband from Germany, and things have not been looking quite well. But Kosi, hi YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Dennis Zimba shared a very painful message. Traveled all the way to Munich to see my girls. I have restricted access to them. Today is my daughter's birthday party and I am not allowed in the house. Open gifts that I got them in the parking lot and have been told that if I want to see them, it will have to be outside. Yo, webathandi bomkhosi, this is indeed a difficult one. Remember, Dennis Zimba ran away with the two girls all the way from Germany to South Africa, and then the husband got super angry. And the reason why they are divorced today, it is because it is alleged that the husband cheated on Dennis Zimba, and then she chose to walk away. But look at the situation now. She's not even allowed to see her kids, and she has always been complaining on Twitter, on Instagram, on all of these social media platforms. Let us look at what people had to say. What you're experiencing is actually what you tried to put the father through. He beat you in your own game, and now you're crying. You're quick to forget that you've been following the case from the start to end. So we are aware of the fact, like Twib said. Black South African women are not used to be labeled as irresponsible parents because Black South African men don't use the law to punish them. I am happy about this case. She used to call us trash, that woman. She must suffer. Another one added, I am sorry, but I would have moved on. The kids will find their way back to me once they are no minors for her mental health sake. At least she tried, and she needs to make sure she documents everything so the kids will see when they are older that their mama didn't abandon them. Yo, because this one is at half one bitunana. And when will this issue between Denise and her husband end? Because it looks like it's going to affect the kids at some point. Because now the poor kids, they don't know what is happening. They're being tossed around. I really wish and hope that these two, they can settle whatever that is affecting both of them for the sake of their kids. Kids need both the mother and the father in their lives. But please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this trending issue? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.